Hi, in today's video you will learn how to embed a secret message in a JPEG picture. First we need a picture. I'm going to download one from the internet. But you can use any picture. Now, open a terminal, and let's install the tool that we are going to use for embedding. After the download is completed, I checked if the tool is installed. Then, I create a folder on my desktop. Inside that folder, I created a blank text document, so we could write our message in it. After that, move the picture to the same folder. Open the created text document and write whatever you want. And don't forget to save it. Now, let's get back to the terminal. Run the command you see on your screen. It will ask you to enter a passphrase. A passphrase is a password that you need when you want to extract the embedded text. So, don't forget it. Wink wink. After successful embedding, let's move the picture outside the folder and extract the message. One thing I forgot to mention. If we open the picture after the message is embedded into it, you can see the picture is the same, and there is no difference between a normal picture and the one with the hidden text. The only difference you can find is the picture size increases a bit after embedding the text into it. Now let's continue. Don't forget to change the directory. To extract the message, use the command you see on your screen. Oops. Spelling error, someone got excited. Let's try it again. Enter your passphrase, and press enter. As you can see, the secret message inside a text document is extracted successfully. You can get creative with it in your own way, send it to your friends, have fun. Check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, subscribe if you learned something today.